Mixed Media Watercolor Tutorials with Miss O. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add black ink to your watercolor paintings. Here I'm showing you how I went about laying in my background watercolor and the techniques that I use that we covered in an earlier video. If yours doesn't look exactly like mine, don't worry about it. I'm giving you a base image to start with, so that way we can come up with the same general idea at the end. Now for the mixed media part. I'm going to take a black ink pen and outline anything that I feel like is important or necessary to stand out in the painting to give it an extra punch. I've done the outline of the trees, added shadows to the rocks. I'm also going to do the tree themselves and add little pieces of brush where the tree would overlap itself and lines within the water to show movement. This is one of 8 techniques I'll be demonstrating on my channel. Come back for the other 7 and see how you can add them and experiment with your own artwork.